Make a great choice today with the 2014 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, third row seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.